These gotta be trimmed here. They're too much in the way. That'll be my first thing. Hello? Hello? Hi. Anybody here? Look, buddy, you gotta come out, alright? Yeah, dude, you can't be living here, man. Look, man, you gotta get out of here. You can't be here, man. You gotta leave. You gotta go, man. What? Hey! Sir, you have to leave. What the hell, man? You just stabbed me. I gotta report you for that. I'm gonna report you to the. Fuck, where am I? I can't see anything. Oh. Okay. You! What are you doing here? I can't move my pinky. Why can't I move? What? Oh God! What is this? What have you done? What do I do? This is like that movie. What was it called? Oh shit. I guess I gotta do it. There's no other way out. Oh, this isn't gonna work. This is gonna go forever and ever. I guess there's only one way out of here. Oh shit! God!